Hey Roland, I thought I'd send you a video of your harness and soon-to-be ECU running. That last one I tested was actually giving me some problems. That's why it's taking me a minute. But yeah, let me get her up on the highway here. I'm already in third gear, so good bottom end torque. It's only been running for a couple minutes, but it seems to be learning its air fuel. There it goes. Yeah, making nice power. Air fuel ratios are doing what they're supposed to be. And this is a big truck. This is the monster I always test everything in. It's 44-inch Continental MPT 81, so they're really heavy. I'll put the phone down as I go by the highway patrol here, so. Ooh, yeah, that's why he's out. Jeez. Really good power. Starting to pick up some wind speed too out here, so yeah, barely on the throttle as you can see. Vacuum gauge, air fuels are looking nice. Let's see how it adjusts. And again, it'll learn how to adjust this stuff over time, but sometimes a little more RPM helps it too. But nice power. This one ought to get you good gas mileage. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Yeah, and one thing I always listen for is that little bit of back crackle I'll get on, like letting off the throttle on a deceleration from hard throttle. And this one's not doing it at all. It's looking really nice. I love that tachometer, but every time I unplug the battery, it makes the shift light come on really early. So yeah, I'll throw a few more miles on it. I got to box up some other stuff, running a little behind on, but I should be able to get this one loomed and labeled and heading out your way. So